gusto mo. Dahil sinabi ni Jesus Christ yan. Diba? I am the man of Jesus Christ. People. I am the Adan of Jesus Christ. And mostly to all people, I am Messias. So tinutuwid ko ang duling, ang mata ng duling, people. No doubt yan. Pinapangiti ko ang patay. So yun lang, people. Kaya ay naman, people, ang hindi lang maniniwala sa akin, people, bakla, adik, magsusugal, Satanas, people, yung mga Satan. Pero isa lang inaabot ko sa inyo, Satan, kawan, and Lucifer's lie, people. Your end, your death, and your last is now, people. I am your last. I am